Hey teachers, this is just a quick tutorial about how you can maybe use the test preparation feature in Pearson Access Next. It's the Aspire test that the 9th and 10th graders will be taking in April. So I'll send out this link to you, but there's a test preparation right here in the middle. There's a student tutorial you could view with your students in class if you wanted to. Just want to make sure I'm recording. There is student or question samplers right here and the calculator. So I'm going to go to the question samplers. You can go right here and you'll see that there's an English question, math, science, and then there's these in Spanish. I'm going to go ahead and click on this math one right here. It's going to load and look like you have to sign in, but you don't. I don't know why this is still showing up in Spanish, but click start, agree to the terms. So you could either model this in front of your class or have your students do this because it doesn't need a login. This talks through the instructions, but I would just talk the kids through this, the process of this. I always think this is the next button, but as you can see, it's the play text to speech.
Math, you are now ready to take the math test.
So this is actually how you get move forward. They might already know this. So you can practice the exact some of the math that they might see and review that, or just talk through different things. There's different calculators built in here, so you can let them practice with how to use the TI-84 if they're used to that, or the Desmos calculator if they're used to that. There's an answer eliminator right here. If you click on that, then it will, you can be like, and so the students will hopefully use this feature to say, I know that this is not the right answer and this is not the right answer. Whatever it is that you're doing. And then you could have them bookmark a question maybe so that then they can see how the bookmark shows up on here. Arrow ahead to the next question. You might want to have them practice with the graphing tool to see what's going to happen as they move the point around on the different graph. Kind of just go through these questions and see. Again, you can read through them and actually do the math, or you can just use it as a practice of how would I navigate these different types of questions. How does this work? So that they can drag and drop, or all those different things might be a good idea to just help them to navigate through the test.